Hello! This video about the universal remote control for automatic gates and other automatics. Main menu. Turn on the device and go to the main menu. The first, scanner mode. Choice of the automatic systems, came top or nice floor, and start the scanner mode. The second, grabber mode. Press the button of the remote control of the came top system. From the main menu, one can see that the signal is grabbed, the system automatically recognized, and information is temporarily stored in the memory cell. Now press the button of the remote control of the door hand system. The signal is grabbed, the system automatically recognized, and information temporarily stored in a memory cell that one also can see in the main menu. Save the information for both systems, assign names and the cell numbers. The third, jammer mode. The fourth, setting mode. Grabber mode. Grabbing of the remote control code of the came top automatics for outer gate. Open and close the outer gate with its remote control. Turn on the grabber mode. One can see from the menu that the signal from the remote control is grabbed, processed and temporarily recorded. Open and close the outer gate with this universal remote control and save the grabbed signal in the memory cell of device. Test the device with recorded information. One can see that the outer gate is open. Scanner mode. choose in the main menu the Came Top system and turn on Scanner mode. The code has been selected. Write it to a free cell memory of this device, assign a name and a cell number. Check the operation of this device with the recorded code. The outer gate has been opening. Jammer mode. Turn on this option in the main menu and try to open the outer gate with its remote control. The gate cannot be opened. Turn off the jammer mode and again try to open the outer gate with its remote control. The outer gate, as the garage gate, has been opening and closing. Check the jammer mode for the auto remote key. One can see that the signal from this remote key is also suppressed. Thanks for watching.